Gerard Mantese, and I was a volunteer attorney with First Step over 20 years ago, and have had a continuing relationship with First Step. We formed what we call the First Step Legal Advocacy Project, or FLAP. So the way we proceeded was we reached out to dozens of attorneys in different firms. We asked them to volunteer their time giving free legal advice to survivors of domestic abuse. Survivors could go once every other week to ask any question they had about restraining orders, divorce work, real estate, and there were about 40 attorneys who signed up to volunteer to staff that clinic. The actual casework would involve going to court, getting restraining orders, filing for divorce, and representing clients all the way through the court process. So I want to know that my time is going to be well spent, and that the agency is effective and is really going to make a difference in people's lives. And I noticed that right away about First Step. They do not fool around. It's action, not talk. I love the organization. They do a great job in making a difference in people's lives. And eventually I would love to see First Step align and be part of an international effort to make sure that women and vulnerable people are not taken advantage of. The need is so great, but the effect that people can make by donating their time and money to people who are vulnerable and victimized the effect is so important and so important to families and to the whole society.